Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today we're diving into something pretty cool, setting up Claude Code. It's a really powerful AI coding partner from Anthropic, and I'm going to walk you through the entire installation so you can get up and running in just a few minutes.
So let's just jump right in, okay? I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, for both macOS and Windows. By the end of this, you'll be all set to start coding with your new AI assistant.
Okay, first things first. Before we start typing any commands, we got to do a quick pre-flight check. Let's just make sure you've got a couple of things squared away.
There are only two things you're going to need here. First off, you need an active paid Claude subscription. So Pro, Team, or Enterprise. Any of those will work just fine. And second, go ahead and open up your command line tool. You know, for Mac users, that's going to be Terminal, and for all you Windows folks, it's PowerShell.
All right, Mac users, you're up first, and honestly, you're going to love how ridiculously simple this is. The whole installation pretty much boils down to a single command. So once you've got that terminal window open, it's really just a matter of running one command. And hey, don't be surprised if your Mac asks for your password to finish things up. That's just a normal security check. And this is the magic command right here. Now, don't even bother trying to type this all out. Just copy this line, paste it straight into your terminal, and hit enter. The installer literally takes care of everything else. All right, Windows folks, your turn. Now, it's also super simple, but listen up because there's one extra little step we need to handle first, and it's a really important one. So, here's the game plan. We're going to start by installing a little tool called Git, which Claude Code absolutely needs to run on Windows. After that, we'll open PowerShell and run the main install command.
Okay, I can't stress this enough for Windows users. You absolutely must install Git first. Just head over to git-scm.com and grab the download. Claude Code actually uses some of Git's underlying tech to work, so yeah, you can't skip this part. When you go through the installer, just clicking Next and accepting all the default settings is totally fine.
Okay, so once Git is all set up and ready to go, pop open PowerShell. And just like we did on the Mac, you're going to paste this command into the window and hit Enter. That'll kick off the installation for you.
Awesome. So, whether you're on Mac or Windows, the installation's done, and we can all come back together for what is, honestly, the best part, firing up Claude Code for the very first time.
Yeah, this is that aha moment. We're about to link this command line tool up with your Anthropic account and really bring your personal coding assistant to life.
And you won't believe how easy this is. Back in that same terminal or PowerShell window you were just in, all you have to do is type the word Claude and hit Enter. That's it.
So what happens next is this really clever thing we call a browser handshake. Your terminal, poof, it's going to automatically pop open a new browser tab for you, taking you right to the Anthropic login page so it can verify who you are.
The second you log in, you'll see this success message right in your browser. And boom, you're in. The tool is authenticated. You can totally just close that tab and head right back to your terminal. All right, so the tool's installed, we're logged in, but there's one final step to make this thing actually useful. We need to tell Claude which specific project you want to work on. You know, give it some context.
It's a quick three-step dance to point Claude at your code. First, you're going to use that classic cd command to move right into your project's folder. Once you're inside, just run Claude again, and then type /init to get the ball rolling.
And that init command, that's the real secret sauce. It goes through your files and creates the special claude.md file right there in your project. Think of this file like the AI's brain, or its memory, for your project. It's where it stores all its understanding about your specific code.
Okay, before we wrap up, I want to quickly cover a super common little snag you might hit, and then we'll do a quick summary of everything, just so you have it all in one place.
So, if you type Claude and you see command not found, just don't panic. Seriously. The fix is almost always incredibly simple. Just close your terminal or PowerShell window and open a brand new one. That usually forces it to recognize the new tool you just installed.
And for my Windows folks, if you get an error that it can't find something called Git Bash, this command right here is your golden ticket. Just run this in PowerShell, and it basically tells Claude Code exactly where to find that Git installation we did earlier. It's a one-time fix.
And hey, just to pull it all together, here is a fantastic little summary table. You can think of it as your cheat sheet, you know? It's got the key commands and requirements for each operating system. Perfect for a quick reminder.
And that's a wrap. Claude Code is installed, it's authenticated, it's initialized in your project. I mean, the tool is ready, your code is waiting. So really, the only question left is, what awesome thing are you going to build first with your new AI partner?